Yes, I'm a 26-year-old who teaches languages on the internet. Hello, people who likes red. My name is Ceci and welcome to another episode of How to Cantonese. Oh, those are my bags. Okay, let me just... Yeah, they totally disappeared. Now it's summertime, it's August, yep, which means some lights and winds and rains in Hong Kong. It's raining a lot lately, yeah. That's why today we're gonna talk about winds and rains. Well, actually this is like the 232nd attempt of making this weather related video. I don't know why. So let's start with some moisture. Rain, the noun in Cantonese is yu. Rain, the verb, is raining, is called lo yu, literally falling rain. But if you want to say it's pouring, like you don't have your umbrella and you look like you just, climb out of a swimming pool, in a verb sense, to pour, to rain heavily is lo dai yu, falling a big rain. If you want to say it in an adjective, as in it is pouring. Why am I doing the gestures? It's not like you can see it. Let me just... Okay, now you can see my gestures as well as my awesome t-shirt prints. Pouring. In adjective form, you can say 好大雨, very big rain. We have something even more not sophisticated when it comes to raining, because raining just makes you feel bad, put you in a bad mood, and all things get wet, and you don't have your umbrella and you get wet, and you have your umbrella gets wet, and I hate raining. In English, raining cats and dogs, which is a pretty horrifying image if you put it literally. The similar expression in Cantonese is 落狗屎, raining dog shit. But in other sense, other than metaphorically describing how heavy a rain is, we actually have different kinds of warnings when it comes to rainstorms. Least severe one is 黃雨. Well, literally it means yellow rain, but somehow it's called amber alert. No, amber alert is something else. Amber warning. And a level higher than that is the red raining warning. Say it 10 times in 3 seconds. And the most severe one, when this comes out, pretty much everything stops. You just stay home and wait for the rainstorm to pass. It is the black raining warning. Oh, by the way, I forgot the Cantonese. The red raining is 紅雨, and the black raining, of course, is 黑雨. I'm a good teacher. Okay, let's move on to the wind. Wind is 風 in Cantonese. The verb for wind is to blow, 吹風. Well, 吹風 can also mean spreading rumors or some gossiping, that kind of thing. And for adjectives, it's windy, similarly as raining. In Cantonese, it is 好大風. We don't have an idiom or similar phrase for windy AF, but we do have a metaphor kind of thing related to wind. So if you want to say someone has put a lot of effort on something, didn't get any rewards or something like that, like come back empty-handed or something like that, you can describe the whole situation as 食西北風. Yeah, don't ask me why. We are very random lol. And regarding the winds, we also have some kind of weather warnings. Well, technically it's related to typhoons. 颱風 And the verb for that is 打風, meaning there's a typhoon. The typhoon signals, in Cantonese we call them 風球. Insert the number in front of the word 風球, you get the warning signal. Like 一號風球 means signal number 1, which is the mildest and people will just ignore it. And the most severe one is typhoon number 10, 十號風球. Oh, one other thing, as 風球, 球 means ball in Cantonese, so we also say it in kind of a nickname fashion. 一號波, 十號波, as in, you know, the typhoon signal. So that's it for today's video. I hope you find this useful. Okay, leave a comment down below. If you have any questions regarding to Cantonese, the language, or basically anything, leave a like down below if you like this video. That is some bullshit. And subscribe this channel for more future videos about Cantonese and something else. And maybe hit that bell thingy. This is lame to tell you guys to do it, but I kinda have to. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!